Well, good afternoon. I was going to show the step-by-step on doing this little bag, but too much stuff going on. We're getting ready to move out of our apartment to a new apartment and a whole bunch of other things going on. So I just went ahead and made this bag that is on my blog, and you can see step-by-step how to make this into a dog walking bag with a grommet here in the front, or you can make it into just a walking bag like I made this one. On the fabric, we'll have basic instructions on how and the steps to make it, but you'll want to go to the blog and see every step with a picture, and you can look it up on there. Any of my bags that are like this, and I don't know if I call some of them just walking bags, I might have, and I might have a video up, but it does say this one is a dog walking bag with all the step-by-step. But there's a whole list if you go to my blog, which is a link underneath my Spoonflower account. On Spoonflower, you'll see it says blog, and you click on that and you'll go to the main page, and then there's a drop-down menu on how to do all my cut and sews. So this is it today I just wanted to show this foresty one with like a river running down through the rocks. The print itself turned out really cute. On the back side, I went ahead and put one pocket here. You get two pockets. I put one on the back. You could put one pocket here on the front if you wanted, but I left the front plain. And when you open it up, on this one, instead of a dog walking bag, which I said before would have been a grommet here with an opening, and then this would have been closed on the bottom. But I left this open because you could put like a napkin or some other thing in that top compartment. On the bottom part, you'll see that here's the little opening, and then I put another pocket inside. So the little pocket inside could hold like your keys or some chapstick or whatever you wanted to put in there. So you have two pockets, and you have the main area, and then this would you have the top part, which is also a pocket, and that just folds down over this. On this one here, I only put one snap on it on this side, so you could snap and take that off and just hook it over on this side, or run it through your pants and come out the other side, or whatever you wanted to do with that, or attach it to your backpack. But the design is really cute, especially if you like the outdoors like I do and you like nature. This is what this one is, and that design is also available by the yard on Spoonflower. And of course, this little design for a cut and sew is in the dog walking bag section. So they're all under the collection called Do It Yourself DIY Cut and Sew Projects. And I have a whole collection of things that are made from one fat quarter. Just one fat quarter is all you need, and you get this design. And they're pretty easy if you know how, the simple things of sewing. If you know how to run your sewing machine, if you've done a few things already. This one here would be more for an intermediate, I would say. The only thing that might be questionable for people is how to put the sides together. But I go step by step, like I said, on the blog. So then it's pretty self-explanatory. You have the tabs here. Everything comes with it, all the material you need. I even had a little bit extra, which would have been an extra dog leash if this was the dog walking bag. But I used it for the tabs on this one. The tabs hold your utilities on the little metal parts on the end here, the D-rings, and the snap. So this is the new one that the print itself I had made, I guess it was earlier this year, maybe it was part of last year, but I hadn't made it into the do-it-yourself cut and sew yet. So now it is available as a cut and sew with the walking bag. I hope that explains it all. And like I said, go to the blog if you want to see more things that I've got on there. And also be sure to check out all the new designs that I have coming out. If there's a design that you would like to see as one of my do-it-yourself cut and sews, just drop me a line and tell me, and I'll try to get that put on a design, one of the do-it-yourself cut and sews that it isn't on. I believe right now Spoonflower doesn't even have you're able to contact me, but I think you can on my YouTube channel. There's a way to contact me. You can make a comment. Thank you, and you have a great day. Keep on creating.